nutshell, what I'm saying is that as we speak, there is no money available for political parties to run their affairs, despite the fact that the people of Kenya in 2010 decided in the Constitution to provide that all political parties must be funded from the taxpayers' money. Finally, honorable members, we are all aware that our party leader has expressed interest in leading African Union Commission. And this, as we celebrate it, and as we cheer, and as we pray, and we congratulate our party leader for being recognized by African leaders, for being recognized regionally and globally. But it has also posed a challenge to the party. There are many of us, many leaders, who, when this announcement was made, have assumed that the party leader is exiting local politics, and by extension, that is exiting the leadership of the ODM. And this has brought a very unhealthy campaign in the country, where division is being, where the conversation across the country is not very healthy for our unity. You hear leaders talking about their ethnicity, people talking about their regions, that it is our turn to lead the party, that it is this party belongs to a certain ethnic community. ODM is a national party. ODM can never be an ethnic entity. And therefore, such talks are careless, reckless, and I want to put it very clearly, as the chairman of this party, the one with the responsibility to instill discipline in the party, and the one who, in consultation with the party leader, must always give policy direction of the party. I want to say that we must put a stop to such unhealthy debates about the leadership of this party. The party ODM is united under one leadership. We have a structure, we have a constitution, we have our rules and regulations. Our party leader is Raila Amolo Odinga. And I want to say, I want to challenge those who want to lead this party. Please remember, you can be called party leader without people to lead. You have to convince us that you mean well. You have to convince us about your policies. It is not just about telling us that you are party leader. We must accept to follow you. That is when you will lead. Therefore, I want to conclude by saying that members, let us not entertain such kind of unhealthy debate. We have our party leader, Raila Amolo Odinga. Whether he succeeds in his quest to lead African Union Commission or not, he is our leader. He is still participating in local politics, and we will follow him. Thank you very much, honorable members. And with those many remarks, allow me at this juncture to welcome and invite our Secretary General, who will come and